Next question. Who is Dorothea least like in character? Options: Celia, Rosamund, Mary, Harriet. Correct answer: Rosamund is the least like character. Next question. Who at the beginning of the novel says, I shall never love anybody. I can't love people. I hate them. Options: Gwendolen, Mrs. Glasher, Grandcourt, Daniel. Correct answer: Gwendolen says these lines in the last novel of George Eliot, Daniel Rhoda. So published during 1876, set in the fictional town Leubronn in the Germany. Main characters Daniel Rhoda and the Gwendolen. Next question. What is Gwendolen doing the first time Daniel sees her? Options: gambling, singing, gardening, painting. Correct answer: gambling. Gwendolen doing gambling when the Daniel sees her. Next question. When was Mola published? Options: 1860 to 61, 1871 to 72, 1862 to 63, 1872 to 73. So correct answer is 1862 to 63. Romola is published. It's a fourth novel of George Eliot, belong to genre historical and is set in the city of Florence during 15th century. Main characters Romola D. Birdie and the Tito Lemma. Next question. The George Eliot novel Romola is set in which city? Options: Milan, Venice, Florence, the Papal States. Correct answer: Florence. George Eliot's novel Romola published in the city of Florence. Next question. These are the famous quotes. Who said these quotes? I wish every book in that library was built into a catacomb for your masters. Who said these lines? Options: Mr. Brooke, Pratt, Tantripp, Ladislaw. So correct answer: Tantripp said to Pratt in the George Eliot's Middlemarch. Next quote. I suspect you of being an adroit flatterer. Options: Rosamund Vincy, Celia, Mary Garth, Mr. Ned Plymdale. So correct answer: Rosamund Vincy said to Mr. Ned in the George Eliot's novel Middlemarch. Next question. Which of these statements about Romola is not true? Options: It is written by George Eliot. It was published in 1863. It is a historical novel set in the Florence during the 1490s Renaissance. Tito is a Romola's servant in the novel. So correct statement is Tito is a Romola's servant in the novel. It's not true about the Romola. All other facts are correct about the Romola's novel. Next question. Consider the following statements. The main characteristic of the Adam Bats are: it is written by George Eliot and is her first novel. Dinah Morris is not a character in the novel. It is set in the town of Loamshire. It is a pastoral novel. So options are A and B, A and D, C and B and C and D. So these are the correct option, A and D. It is written by George Eliot and is her first novel, and it is a pastoral novel. These statements are correct about the Adam Bats. Next question. Dinah Morris is a character in George Eliot's novel. Options: Middlemarch, Silas Marner, Daniel Rhoda and Adam Bats. So correct answer: Adam Bats. Dinah Morris is a character from George Eliot's novel Adam Bats. Next question. Put the following novels of George Eliot in a sequence order. So novels are Middlemarch, Daniel Rhoda, Felix Holt and Romola. So these are the options. So correct answer is Romola published 1862, Felix Holt 1866, Middlemarch 1871 to 72, Daniel Rhoda published 1876. So correct option is B. Now we move on to next part, the quick revision of these questions. So let's start. First question is, what was the pen name of Mary Ann Evans? George Eliot. Next, why did Mary Ann Evans write under the name George Eliot? because at that time writing was considered a male profession only. Next question. When was Mary Ann Evans born? Born on the 22 November 1819. Next question. Whom did Mary Ann Evans marry? With John Cross. Next. George Eliot belongs to which era? Victorian era. Next question. Which book of Ludwig Feuerbach was translated by Mary Ann Evans and published in 1854? Book name Essence of Christianity. Next question. Which novel was written first by Mary Ann Evans? Novel Adam Bede. Next question. What was Adam's profession? Its profession a carpenter. Next question. Tom Tulliver is character from which novel of George Eliot? Taken from The Mill on the Floss. Next question. Which one of the George Eliot's novels has as its subtitle The Weaver of Ravello? Answer Silas Marner. Next question. A new doctor arrives in Middlemarch. What is his name? His name is Lydgate. Next question. What is the name of Mr. Brooks' estate? It's Tipton. Next. Who is Dorothea least like in character? It's Rosamond. Next. Who at the beginning of the novel says, I shall never love anybody, I can't love people, I hate them? It's said by Gwendoline. Next. What is Gwendoline doing the first time Daniel sees her? She is doing gambling. Next question. When was Romola published? During 1862 to 63. Next question. The George Eliot novel Romola is set in which city? Set in the Florence. Next question. I wish every book in that library was built into a catacomb for your master. These lines said to Tanny Tripp. Next. I suspect you of being an adroit flatterer. Said by Rosamund Vincy. Now we move on to quiz of these questions. So write the answer of this question in a comment box below. First question is, what was the pen name of Mary Ann Evans? Second question, George Eliot belongs to which era? Next question, which novel was written first by Mary Ann Evans? Next, what is Gwendoline doing the first time Daniel sees her? Next, the George Eliot novel Romola is set in which city? Write the answer of these questions in a comment box below. Okay, see you soon.